Hello everyone and welcome to Mathematical Mindset. In today's video, we want to simply go into a new topic called the exponential equations. And there are rules that are very necessary when you want to solve problems involving exponential equations. So right here guys, in this video, I'm going to run you through the rules needed when you are about to solve exponential equation. So the first rule right here is called the basic rule, and the basic rule states that if a to power x is equal to a to power y, then x is equal to y, provided that a is greater than 0 and a is not equal to 1. Now this is just a long grammar. Now this simply means if you have a number that is raised to a particular power, for example we have 2 raised to the power of 3 is equal to 2 raised to the power of 5. If the base are the same, then all you want to do is to equate the exponents. That is, if you take a look at this right here, a raised to the power of x is equal to a raised to the power of y. Now they are having the same base, which is a here and a here. So that simply means if they have the same base, now all you want to do is to equate the exponents, and that is the basic rule for exponential equations. The second rule states the multiplication rule. Now the multiplication rule states if you have a number with the same base, right here we have a raised to the power of m multiply a raised to the power of n. Now in multiplication rule, all you want to do, write down the base and has the powers, that is as the exponents. So a raised to the power of m times a raised to the power of n is equal to a raised to the power of n plus n. So for the multiplication rule, you simply need to take one of the base. Only if the base are equal, then you add the exponents. That is all for the multiplication rule. So we have right here the division rule, and the division rule states if am divides an. Now all you want to do, and they are having the same basis, all you want to do, take out one base, then you subtract the power, and this works if and only if a is not equals to 0. That is it. Then we have the power of a power rule, which states if in brackets a raised to the power of m close brackets n, all you want to do, take your base, then you multiply the power, and that is the power of a power rule. We have the negative exponents rule, whereby if a is raised to negative n, this simply means 1 over an. That is all you need to do. So take note of this rule. We also have the zero exponential rule, which states any number raised to the power of 0 is equals to 1, provided that a is not equal to 0. That is the zero exponential rule. Take note of that. Any number raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. We also have the fractional exponents rule. Now the fractional exponents rule states that if a is raised to the power of m over n, now this simply means the denominator takes the roots of am. That is the root of n of am, where n is greater than or equal to 0. Now guys, you're going to understand this rule as we go on in this video, because I'm going to solve some questions that make use of all of this rule. So stay tuned and watch out for that solving. Also, we have the exponential equality rule. Now the exponential equality rule states if the bases are the same, you can equate the exponents. I've said that earlier. If the bases are the same, just simply equate the exponents and you have the exponential equality rule. And this states if a is raised to the power of m equals to a raised to the power of n. Now equating the exponents, m is equals to n. That's all that means. We have changing base rule. Changing base rule states if a raised to the power of s is equals to b raised to the power of y. This can be written as x log of a is equal to y log b. That is it. That is changing the base rule, whereby you simply apply the logarithmic rule. And we also have lastly the logarithmic conversion. Now the logarithmic conversion states if a raised to the power of x is equals to b. Now applying the logarithmic conversion, it becomes x is equals to log ab. That is the rule. So these are the 10 basic rules, or these are the 10 rules for exponential equation that you need to know before solving any exponential questions. So right here guys, in this video I'm going to share each solving into different parts. I'm going to solve basic questions, that is easy question, intermediate question, maths Olympiad questions based on exponential, and some examination questions all over the world that is talking about exponential equations. I'm just going to pick at random and solve questions on that, and by applying these 10 rules for exponential equation. So guys, in order for you to get access to that solving, is only if you subscribe to Mathematical Mindset. Turn on your post notifications so that you get notified whenever I drop a video. And with this guys, I'm going to see you in the next video.